Learn ABC with animals. A to Z nursery rhyme. A is for alligator, snapping in the sun. B is for bunny, hopping just for fun. C is for cat, who purrs and loves to play. D is for dog, barking all the day. E is for elephant, big and kind and gray. F is for fox, who likes to sneak away. G is for giraffe, so tall and full of grace. H is for horse, galloping in race. I is for iguana, resting in the heat. J is for jaguar, silent on its feet. K is for kangaroo, bouncing to the beat. L is for lion, kingly and elite. M is for monkey, swinging tree to tree. N is for newt, peeking out to sea. O is for owl, who hoots at night so bright. P is for penguin, waddling with delight. Q is for quail, quick on tiny toes. R is for rabbit with a twitchy nose. S is for snake, who slithers in the sand. T is for tiger, the bravest in the land. U is for oriole, climbing rocky hills. V is for vulture, with soaring, swooping skills. W is for whale, singing in the sea. X is for Xeris, as cute as can be. Y is for yak, with shaggy, woolly hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes beyond compare.